Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the MODX model and its installed firmware so you avoid a mismatched flash. Once confirmed, download the official firmware and its checksum. Doing this prevents corrupted installs. Make sure the instrument is powered from mains or charged to at least 50%, and back up user settings, registrations, and samples before you proceed. Now, connect via USB or prepare an appropriate USB stick. The next step is transferring the file and validating the checksum so you can safely continue. You transfer the firmware to the MODX by copying the file to the USB root or mounting the instrument as a mass storage device. Once the file is on the device, validate the checksum. A mismatch means you must re-download and retry because bad files brick the unit. Next, enter the MODX update mode exactly as listed in the manual, then start the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. During the write, do not interrupt power or USB, and watch progress until it completes. You finish by rebooting the MODX and immediately confirming the firmware version and basic functionality. Then reload your backup settings and test patches and samples. If the update fails or the unit hangs, try the same process with a different USB stick or USB cable and recheck the firmware file integrity. If problems persist, document any error codes and behavior, and then contact support with those details. This helps pinpoint issues faster and avoids repeating unsuccessful attempts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.